lip gloss lingers, even as it's gone. I never knew this feeling could be so strong. It's sweet like heaven, sharp like pain. I can't stop thinking of you again and again. Every little moment plays back slow. What we are, I don't even know. I try to move, but I just stay caught somewhere between run and stay. I can still taste your skin between my teeth. A quiet fire you woke up underneath. Every touch still pulling me inside. Loving you is heaven, loving you is bright. Your name shows up in everything I do. Every song I hear sounds just like you. You make me smile, the connection deep. You're the one I want while I'm losing sleep. I pray God this will not fade, that you feel the same grade. God, I don't hurt to leave while my heart is still on my sleeve. I can still taste your skin between my teeth. A quiet fire you woke up underneath. Every touch still pulling me close. Loving you is heaven, what I chose. If pain's the price of something real, I'd pay it twice for what we feel. I'd love till I'm old and can't walk, till there is nothing but burnt chalk. I can still taste your skin between my teeth. A quiet fire you woke up underneath. Every touch still pulling on my breath. Loving you is heaven, loving you is death. Your lip gloss fades, but not the truth. I want to belongs to you.